Number 21. This Filipino writer in English who used Hispanic Filipino culture and tradition in his fiction works. Letter A. Edilberto Trempo. Letter B. Nick Joaquin. Letter C. Squanel Jose. Letter D. Jose Garcia Bella. The correct answer is letter B. Nick Joaquin. Nicolas Nick Marquez Joaquin was a Filipino writer and a journalist. He is sort of cultural apostle who purposed its revived interest in Philippine national life literature. Next, number 22. Who is the famous composer from Agono who is also a national artist? Letter A. Buenaventura. Letter B. Sen Rizal. Letter C. San Pedro. And letter D. Cayabyab. The answer is letter C. San Pedro. Lucio Diestro San Pedro Sr. is the national artist of the Philippines for music in 1991. Born on February 11, 1913, he was well-known composition in Sa Ugoy ng Duyan ang Lahing Kayumanggi. Number 23. Tax imposed on all employed and practicing professionals. Letter A. Income tax. Letter B. Real estate tax. Or letter C. Community tax. And letter D. Inheritance tax. The answer is A. Income tax. An income tax is a tax imposed on individual or entities in respect of the income or profit earned by them. Number 24. What is the predominant characteristic of Eastern religion? Letter A. Optimism. Letter B. Secularism. Letter C. Mysticism. Letter D. Pessimism. The answer is letter A. Optimism. Optimism is the attitude of mindset of expecting event to lead particularly positive, favorable, desirable, and hopeful income. Next, number 25. Which is the fundamental law of land? Letter A. Bill of Rights. Letter B. Constitution. Letter C. Civil Criminal Code. And letter D. Ten Commandments. The answer is letter B. Constitution. It is established the framework for the organization of the government, define its power and duty, and outline the right of people. Number 26. Agency tasked to nurture Philippines art. Letter A. NBI. Letter B. CCP. Letter C. NCAA. Or letter D. NCCA. The correct answer is letter D. NCCA. A National Commission for Culture and the Arts of the Philippines is the official government agency for culture and arts in the Philippines. Next, number 27. How many days are needed after the bill become a law? Letter A. 75 days. Letter B. 90 days. Letter C. 60 days. Letter D. 30 days. The correct answer is letter D. 30 days. If the President takes no action on the enrolled bill within 30 days, the 1987 Constitution provides that it will automatically become a law. Number 28. The Philippines is the only blank country in the world. Letter A. Communist. B. Buddhist. Letter C. Christian. Or letter D. Muslim. The answer is letter C. Christian. The influence of Christianity extends beyond the borders of the Philippines, marks on the various Asian nations. Number 29. In social trends, how do you call those who are for the revival of classics? Letter A. Existentialist. Letter B. Rationalist. Letter C. Humanist. Letter D. Reformist. The answer is letter C. Humanist. Classical humanism has played a significant role in shaping modern values and ethics, influencing the way that thinks about the issues such as a human right. Okay, now let's proceed to number 30. Whose philosophy gives promise to faith in understanding the existence of God. Letter A, Saint Benedict. Letter B, Saint Peter. Letter C, Saint Augustine. Letter D, Saint John. The correct answer is letter C, Saint Augustine. Saint Augustine, in early question, linked God existence to universal truth and illumination, emphasizing divine grace for salvation.